Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Here is your English teacher, Ma'am Bushra. Hope you all will be in good health. So let's start our today's lecture. Open your Oxford Progressive English and turn over to page number 22. Open page number 22. On page number 22, there is a topic, the orphan elephant. Now, what is the meaning of orphan? Orphan means a young animal that has been prematurely separated from its parents or its mother. When an animal is not mature and he is separated from his mother or parents, that elephant is called orphan. Okay? So, this passage is about an orphan elephant. Let's start from the very first paragraph. In Pinawala Elephant Orphanage in Sri Lanka, a baby elephant stands by himself. There is an elephant orphanage in Sri Lanka by name Pinawala, and there is a baby elephant who stands by himself. Now, what is Pinawala Elephant Orphanage? Let me show you. This is a picture of Pinawala Elephant's Orphanage, and there an elephant stands all by himself. He is tied to a tree, although the rope which ties him is unnecessary because he is completely still with his head hanging low and his trunk curling on the ground. He is tied to a tree with a rope because the owners don't want him to flee from that place or to run from that place. But the writer has wrote here that this is unnecessary because the elephant is standing all still. He's so desperate and he is so distracted, so dejected, he is so deserted that he cannot escape from that area. And this picture is shown by his behavior, that his head is hanging low to the ground and his trunk curling on the ground. His trunk is curling on the ground. How? Let me show you the picture. Like this. Okay? His trunk is curling to the ground. His head is towards the ground. He is hanging his head. So, he is so upset, he is so deserted that he can't think of escaping. Okay, so that's why the writer has wrote here that although he is tied through a rope, but that rope is unnecessary because he is completely still. He is not trying to escape, he is not trying to flee from that area. He is a picture of misery and dejection. He is a picture of misery and dejection. Okay, a picture of misery, this is an expression which we use. Okay, in paragraph 2, just 1 month before he was brought to the orphanage by villagers who had found him alone and deserted, his body yellowed and neglected. He was brought here 1 month before, and when he was brought to that orphanage, he was deserted and alone. And who brought him there? Villagers. His body yellowed and neglected. His body was yellowed because he didn't get the proper nutrition. He didn't got the proper food. So that's why his body was yellowed and neglected. Where was his mother? Where was his mother? The writer here has given his own suggestion that where his mother could be. So let's see the suggestion of the writer. Perhaps the herd had lost the little elephant and she was now grieving for her baby, which she had carried inside for 22 months before finally giving birth to him. The writer wrote that maybe or perhaps the herd. What is the meaning of herd? Herd is a large group of animals. Okay. So the herd of elephant had lost the little elephant, and now the mother elephant is grieving. She is mourning for her baby, which she had carried inside her for 22 months. Before giving birth to the baby elephant, the mothers take her inside her for how many months? For 22 months. Okay. Perhaps the herd had searched and searched for the lost baby and then been forced to move on for the sake of their own survival. The writer has given another suggestion that probably the herd had searched for the lost baby, but they were forced to move because for their survival they have to move on. Okay. Perhaps the mother had died. Another suggestion, perhaps the mother had died. She is no more now. Okay. So now come to the third paragraph. Whatever the reason, the little orphan now stands by himself. He is standing alone even when led to the river where the other young elephants nuzzle him and splash each other with water. Although 1 month has been passed since the orphan elephant has been brought to this orphanage, but still he stands by himself. He is all alone. And when they are taken to the river, where the other young elephants, they nuzzle him. Nuzzle means to rub your nose or face gently against someone. Okay. When you rub your nose or face against someone gently, softly, so this is called to nuzzle someone. Okay. So the other young elephants, they nuzzle him and splash each other with water. They splash water on each other. But this young orphan elephant, he stands by himself. 10 months later, the scene has changed. When 10 months passed, the scene was entirely changed. At the orphanage, a group of baby elephants shriek excitedly as they are given their milk. In that orphanage, Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage, which is situated in Sri Lanka, now the young baby elephants, they shriek excitedly. Shriek means to shout in a loud pitch. So they shriek excitedly as they are given their milk. Afterwards, they play in the river. And afterwards, when they take their milk, they play in the river, running and splashing. In their midst means in the middle of, is a black, well-fed, happy little elephant. That elephant which was once brought to the orphanage was yellow, okay, and was neglected and was deserted. Now that elephant is black, well-fed, given proper food, happy. He was upset before, but now happy, and he is enjoying his life now. The sad little orphan who stood silently by the tree with his trunk curled on the ground 10 months before has found a new life. He has found a new life in that orphanage. He is happy now. So this whole passage was about the orphan elephant. Okay, I hope you would have understood this topic and you would have enjoyed this topic. So till our next lecture, take care of yourself and those around you. Allah Hafiz.